Write out the reactions given to you as you proceed through the simulation. You also need to indicate the colors of the given reactants products. The equilibrium reaction will be given to you after the explanation of how the ions form. I'm going to scooch through the simulation. You guys can watch. You guys will be needing to write down these and make some analysis of the information. I'm just proceeding through the simulation for you since it does not show up on your computer. This is adding more HCl. You can see the reaction, and this is of course a coordination compound, which you love. Pause this as you need to. You can't press pause, but you can see that the differences in the equilibrium here as they go forward and reverse. Alright, part 2 here of NO and N2O2, NO2 and N2O2 equilibrium. So here are your example or your questions. Let's look at that one now. Animation is a representation of NO2 and N2O4 molecules. Count the number of NO2 and N2O4 molecules. You guys can see the differences here. Pause. Okay, so you can see the information here. You saw the reaction. You can now count the molecules and answer your questions. And explain how this animation illustrates the dynamic nature of equilibrium. Alright, lastly we have the bromine gas and liquid equilibrium animation. Look at your questions. Here's bromine liquid, here's bromine gas. Bromine gas can't exist because it's a physical equilibrium between liquid vapor, physical equilibrium between the two states of matter. Pause as you need to. You can see them bouncing in and out of solution here. Beautiful. Alright, so you now have seen the simulations. You can answer all the questions here correlating. You have to read this information. It's also another good application of equilibrium in the blood. Some of it is review. It'll be alright. You can read it. And then at the very bottom, you are doing part 2 right now in class. At the very bottom, some really good AP level questions, and they are a little hard, so you need to try them. I'll do a quick reminder. These are millimolar, and then we are going to check these tomorrow. These are very good questions. You need to focus on them because they came from a practice test. So, good luck.